Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. Since holidays are stressful sometimes and busy, I'm going to show you a very simple, delicious cookie. 3 ingredients, a cake mix, and with this you can do it in any flavor you like. So I'm going to use lemon, and all we're going to do is add the cake mix to a bowl. We are going to use a scant ½ cup of oil. Put that right in there. And then we are also going to add 2 eggs. Now I'm doing this way because you should always make sure your eggs are good. Mine are farm eggs. So, it's always best to crack them in a separate bowl. Just a little tip for anyone. So, we are going to then just mix this up. And as you can see, it's making a nice dough. Now, this is a small batch cookie, which kind of works out nice. If you want to make multiple flavors or anything you'd like. Now, this, I am going to refrigerate it for about 20 minutes. So, I'll be back with you after that. Okay, welcome back. I know it was such a for you. I have a batch of cookies that's already done. These are the lemon cookies. You do not want to over brown them. They were baked at 350 degrees for 9 to 11 minutes. So, I'm going to give you an easy way to decorate them. Take some regular cake icing. Throw that in the microwave for this was 20 seconds to soften it up. We're going to take our cookies. And we're just going to dip them in our icing. Make them look real pretty. And like I said, you want to do this after they've completely cooled. You want to take you want to make them look good for Christmas. Do a little sprinkle on top. You can do anything you'd like, whatever your family prefers, but this is a very simple, easy cookie that takes very little time to cook. That 9 to 11 minutes is very short time. So, there we go. Some nice, pretty Christmas cookies. And it won't take a lot of your time. So, like, subscribe, hit the notification, and everyone have a blessed day.